So this is our new Stream 605. So this can be a point-to-point link, or it can be a multi-point client device with the 60M. And here's the radio. And here you've got your Gore-Tex patch, which is your breather to let the moisture out. You've got your alignment LEDs, and you've got your surge protected 2.5 gig Ethernet port. The antenna, of course, is in the front, and on the back you've got your equipment label and your 4 holes for your mounting bracket. To be honest, you probably only need 2 of those. 2 of those holes to use really. So in the kit, in here we have a bag of bits. That includes the cable gland, the 4 screws for putting it on, and the bolts for the bracket. So this piece of the bracket can be fitted either this way, or you can turn it if you have an awkward pole, 45 degrees, or even if you really need to, you can turn it. That then joins onto these pieces and this bracket here. So this bracket can be screwed straight to a wall, or you can make it around a pole up to 3 inches. Additionally, you have your 802.38F smart sensing PoE injector included in the kit, and this also has surge protection. It's 11 kVA, so you have your PoE out and your mains in. This is 100 volt to 240 volts input. Now, once you've got all your link and that installed, the really great thing with the new Stream is that it's already built into SilverNet. So you can discover and monitor all of your radio links, your cameras, your switches, and see your link quality, throughputs. And as you can see, we have a camera running right now. Thanks for watching.